Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to make chocolate bar using dry fruits and nuts, and also our Patissier Artisan dark 55% Couverture no added sugar. Cut the dry fruits and nuts into desired shape and sizes. Melt the Patissier Artisan dark 55% Couverture no added sugar using the microwave and reach 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Temper by cooling down 2/3 of the quantity at 28 degrees Celsius, then warm back to 31 degrees Celsius. Pipe 100 grams per bar and place the fruits. Our selection is as follows: dry apricots with diced almond, golden raisin and walnuts, cranberry, dry blueberry, and mango with roasted coconut. Let crystallize for at least 3 hours before to unmold.